How many of you like to read? Oh, look at those hands, teachers. How many of you like to draw pictures? Good. I was here I got to meet with everybody, all the kids in the school, and we did 3 assemblies where we talked about books, talked about writing and illustrating, and we sort of stepped through and made up stories together. And they were a little bit different for each grade level.
Troy was one of the author illustrators that we were introduced to in his production in a children's literature conference through Shenandoah University.
So every evil wizard has an evil laugh. Can we hear your evil laugh?
And we just remembered him after seeing many, many authors and illustrators that week. So when we came back in the fall, I was going to pursue having him come to our school.
I didn't get to meet an author until I was in college. So I think it's neat to think about an author as a person. That name on the book is a person with a job, and that's kind of fun. It's fun for me. It kind of goes both ways. I get inspiration from them because I ask for ideas. I don't know where it's going to go, and together we build a story. And then I get to kind of model what it's like a little tiny bit. How I come up with an idea, we'll draw, they'll add onto it, and it turns into a thing. And then I send them back to the classroom to do the thing we just did.
We love to write stories in our class because we think it's interesting to do, because we like to just pretend like we're an author writing our own stories.
Do you like reading?
Yes.
Why do you like reading?
Because some books like Helen Keller and this is this your pet? Okay, I'm just gonna put it down. It looks like it's so good. You never know what's in the inside. Never judge a book by its cover.
Dear people at Yellow House, woof, can I be your dog? When you're drawing and you're writing, you're also performing in your brain, you're making these characters act and perform. So voice is a really fun thing to do in a big assembly in front of all the kids, and you hope they take it back too and think about the voice of their pizza monster or the voice of their cat or whatever animal they're writing about.
Meeting authors are interesting because once you meet an author, you sometimes, once they tell you something, that's their real voice in the story.
Thanks for letting me. I feel like I get to be part of your school for the day, right? I feel like I'm invited to be a guest teacher kind of thing, so I get all the students and feel all of this enthusiasm. Also, the days go really well when the staff, the teachers, get everyone ready in advance, so they're all excited. We work together, and then I leave, and hopefully for the next couple days, they're going to still make stuff. It turns this little one-day visit into like a week or longer kind of thing we do together.